Harissa.
This popular peppery condiment originally hails from the Barbary Coast. It's a staple in North African and some Middle Eastern cuisines. It's even known as the national condiment of Tunisia.
Do we have a national condiment?
Ranch.
Velveeta?
Ugh.
In its most traditional form, harissa is a chili paste made from a variety of dried chili peppers that are rehydrated and then blended with olive oil, garlic, and toasted spices. The name comes from the Arabic word harassa, meaning to mash or crush.
The culinary community leaves a lot of room for interpretation when it comes to harissa. Some folks add citrus and others vinegar. Sometimes it's saucy and sometimes it's pasty. Some are hot, some are more mild.
So on to Spiceology's version of harissa, a guajillo pasilla type chili mix with cayenne pepper for balance of heat and flavor. Garlic and onion because, well, alliums accentuate flavors, and toasted cumin and coriander to round out the blend.
A fine grind, this blend performs well in pretty much any cooking technique.
Sous vide?
I mean, it's French for you kind of can't overcook it.
Adding harissa to sous vide process infuses the full flavor profile throughout the application. You'll get a ton of warm spiciness throughout the bite that isn't shy at all.
When grilling, do a quick rub down on the protein. The blend doesn't need to sit.
Side note, if you do let the blend sit, it isn't gonna get any spicier. The other flavors will intensify, but not the heat.
Let the high heat double down on the chili flavor and then let the char cool off the spice. It's also incredibly good on grilled seafood.
Harissa.
Robust, pungent, toasty.
Period.